My husband is obsessed with taking creatine, and I put it in his morning coffee. I don't drink coffee, and I do find the powder just doesn't dissolve as well in cold liquids. So being able to have it in a gummy form, I think is awesome. So these ones here were sent for my review. I'm gonna be trying them for the very first time. One of the things that I absolutely love is this is the mixed fruit one. So we've got blueberry, raspberry, and blackberry. Normally you only get one flavor, so I think that is really, really cool. So this one here, let me see, it's 4 gummies daily. So that is your serving size, which is great because I wanted to take all 3 right now. I wanted to see calories. We've got 12 calories, but then of course you've got all the good things in here, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. You've got your creatine monohydrate, of course, all the things that you need. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what this looks like. Ooh, they look very nice. I'm gonna give them a bit of a smell here. They smell really good. So if you're anything like me, let's be honest, sometimes these gummies are really hard to chew. They don't taste very good. And if they don't taste good, we know we're not gonna be adding it to our daily routine. So I'm gonna go ahead and see, I wanna see if I can see the different colors. It's really hard to tell the difference between like the blueberry and the blackberry. I'm not too sure which is which because they all kind of like look the same here. So anyways, we're just gonna go ahead, try one of these ones. Honestly, it kind of tastes like I'm just eating like a little jube, like a little Swedish fish or something like that. Super good. So good. I think the problem is going to be just like not eating them like candy. We're only allowed to have 4. So I've had 2. Let's see. I can't, as I said, can't tell the difference, but I know they're mixed in here. Maybe these are mixed together. I don't know. They're delicious. If you need some creatine, if you're anything like me, don't like taking the powder, highly recommend some gummies instead.